I'm Greg Poirier, and today we're going to talk about how your organization can use Salesforce's Data Cloud to help nurture and accelerate upsell and cross-sell opportunities. Most companies have a mountain of data at their fingertips, maybe too much data. Typically, the issue is not acquiring the data, it's turning that data into something actionable that generates revenue. By leveraging Salesforce's Data Cloud, you can turn data into action, driving more sales and increasing customer satisfaction. So, if we want to improve how we can leverage our data, here's what we need a platform to do. First, we need harmonization. We need a place to unify this customer data across platforms. Then we need ingestion. We need to allow for the data to flow into the solution in near real time from a variety of disparate sources. We need identity resolution. We need to be able to create a single representation of an individual and a household. Single person, different data. We need insights. We need to be able to perform in-platform calculations and connect to BI and AI platforms. We need custom and reusable segments. We need to be able to group individuals. And we need activation. We need to be able to trigger advertising, emails, text messages, cases, and sales opportunities in near real time. So for those of you who are in the Salesforce ecosystem, what that means is Data Cloud covers ingestion, harmonization, identity, insights, and segments. And Marketing Cloud is our activation layer, where we are sending email, text messages, and journeys combined with advertising. And we can also use Data Cloud to trigger opportunities and cases and other records in Salesforce Core. So let's talk about some real-world examples of this. In terms of upgrading, let's say we have a classic subscriber model where customers are on a bronze, silver, or gold tier of license. Using Data Cloud, we can combine data from our subscriber platform and our billing platform. When a customer's data usage changes, for example, a sudden increase in video streaming or long distance minutes consumed, Data Cloud can signal to Marketing Cloud that it is time to start an email and ad journey promoting a discount for moving from silver to gold. And if that doesn't have an impact and no action has been taken in, let's say, 7 days, we can also trigger an opportunity or case in Salesforce for a call center team member to phone directly and try to reach the customer that way. In terms of renewals, contract renewal data is also information that can be ingested into Data Cloud. As such, we can trigger different journeys for customers behaving in different ways. Customer A, who is a heavy user of the product, may be put into a renewal nurture cycle focused on adding solutions to their bundle. Customer B, who is a light user and at risk of churn, might instead be offered a discount to renew. Those are just two examples, but the power of being able to not only create, reuse, and nest these sophisticated audiences, but also trigger actions based on them is one of the key areas where Data Cloud helps companies improve expansion sales efforts, decrease churn, and overall grow revenue. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out our YouTube channel or the Cloud Kettle blog. We'll see you next time.